Cambodia, a journey through time and wonder. Welcome to Cambodia, a land where ancient history and vibrant culture converge. Wait, while enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel. Start your journey at Angkor Wat, the world's largest religious monument. Marvel at the intricate carvings and towering spires that have stood the test of time. Feel the spiritual essence as you explore these sacred grounds, where history whispers through every stone. Next, head to Phnom Penh, Cambodia's bustling capital. Experience the lively markets, savor delicious street food, and dive into the city's rich history. Visit the Royal Palace and the Silver Pagoda, home to national treasures and stunning architecture. Cruise along the Mekong River, witnessing breathtaking sunsets and the serene beauty of Cambodia's landscapes. Explore the floating villages of Tonle Sap Lake, where life flows with the rhythm of the water. Immerse yourself in Cambodia's vibrant culture. From colorful festivals to traditional dances that tell the stories of the past. From its awe-inspiring temples to its warm and welcoming people, Cambodia is a destination that touches the heart and soul. Come and discover the beauty and charm of Cambodia, a place where every moment is a treasure. Ready to explore? Pack your bags and let the adventure begin. Thanks for watching Travel Center. Subscribe to see more videos from all around the world.